Korean.
너무 많은 지만 알아가는 재미가 있어요.
이거를 부르는 재미가 있어요. 자기야.
It's fun to say. So it is something to do with nicknames or 호칭.
자기야. 자기.
Correct.
So today's topic is pet names. 자기야, honey.
That's right. Wow. The topic of the day is 호칭, which refers to the titles we use when calling people. Pet names we use to call our loved ones are included. First, let's watch today's drama clip. Drama?
Come on.
자기야, 나 지금 홍대 한복판에서 무릎 꿇었다.
What you have to pay attention to here is not her action, but the conversation. She said, 자기야, which usually means sweetheart. Is there a 호칭 you like to use often, guys?
I won't really use 자기야 when I get married. I might use it to call my husband.
Many couples use 자기야 to call each other. But like in the drama clip we saw, people can call each other 자기, even if they are not a couple.
In which situation would that happen?
Well, you can use 자기 when you want to show your closeness to someone. 자기! Even if not someone you love.
Then Kevin, I'm sure our international friends are super curious about 호칭. Shall we hear what they have to say?
Shall we call them international 선생님 today?
You know what, Seyon? That's a great idea. Okay, international 선생님s.
Come on!
교수님들이랑 식단에 가면 일반 직원 같아 보이는 분한테도 사장님이라고 부르던데 왜 그런가요?
What tasty food should I order? 사장님, can you recommend your signature menu, please?
I'm just a part-timer here. I'm not the 사장님.
Oh, I'm just trying to be respectful to a stranger. Calling you 사장님 sounds more respectful than calling you a part-timer.
I see. Well, thank you, 선생님. We actually have a really great 순두부찌개 dish.
Oh, then I'll have one 순두부찌개. But I'm not a 선생님 or a teacher.
I'm just trying to be kind and respectful, 선생님.
Well, guys, today we learn about Korean 호칭 with 파운드 사장님 and 서연 선생님.
I think calling someone 선생님 feels a little awkward, but it's still fun.
Right. Using 호칭 shows respect and familiarity.
For example, we call female staff at restaurants 이모 instead of 아줌마. We also call our friends' mothers 어머님, meaning mother, instead of calling them just 아줌마. Koreans really do always consider each other.
Yes, that's right. Just like how I respect and love my children. 서연 and Pound.
So let's wrap up for today.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
저도 누구한테 길을 물어볼 때는 저기요 말고 선생님 해요. 그러면 사람들이 친절하게 길을 알려줘요. 물론 영어 말고 한국어로 말해요.
K-Wave Korean.